Brad here with Chill Vibes Outside, and I am back with an update on the trailer. Alright guys, welcome to the first episode of the camper trailer renovation series. Thanks for joining me, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking this video, I really appreciate it. Just wanted to say I have no experience in this line of work. I'm just trying to make this thing a little bit more cozy, a little more comfy for when I'm out in the bush. And I'm just having fun with it. It's got a few things we need to fix. We need to get some new vents on here. And it's got some water damage, but we're gonna fix that. Stay tuned. So here's an awning that came with the trailer. It goes on the back, right above the door. Not sure if I'm gonna use it yet or not. So the door has a little latching mechanism right on the back there. And the hole that it latches into, the rubber in there was starting to like degrade and fall apart. So at first I taped it here, thinking that might help it, but once I get up there, I realized that that black rubber stuff in there is kind of just falling apart, and there was just chunks of it sitting in there, and that's why the door was not latching properly. But once I get that stuff out, it latches pretty nice now, and I think putting that tape on there helped. That probably won't stay forever, but you know, I can always get more tape, or maybe even a little rubber piece that would sit on there. Alright, so we pulled the valances off of the walls. Just gonna end up trashing those, but I am gonna save those metal rods. See if I can repurpose them for anything else. Before we started painting, we washed down the walls with some hot soapy water. Just used Dr. Bronner's. And my wife Emily, she's helping me throughout all of this here, the cleaning, and she did most of the painting. Lucky for me. Alright, pulling everything out of there, all the cushions and everything. We're gonna run to the hardware store and get a new paintbrush, and gonna pick out some paint for the walls. Alright, so we ended up not buying any paint from the hardware store. We just got some paintbrushes, and because we had a bunch of paint in the garage that we decided to use instead. We had like a nice eggshell white satin finish, and then also kind of like a tealish blue color that we also use for the bathroom as well. Probably noticed I've just been taking the curtains down and then the plastic holders that were holding them up. Haven't really decided what I'm gonna do yet. I might do blinds, I might do curtains, maybe even blackout shades. I don't know, we'll see. There was some trim here that is kind of coming off due to some water damage there on the wall. You can kind of see it in the wall. I just decided to use liquid nails and then kind of nail it back to be more secure again. Eventually probably need to take that wall out and replace it, but as it stands right now, I'm not too concerned about it. Alright, now it's time to start getting some paint on the walls. Went ahead and took the fire extinguisher off the wall so we could paint behind it. But for the most part, for everything else, I would say we gave it a proper landlord special. All this here is just filming the first coat. I didn't want to film all the second coats. It gets pretty mundane after a while, and Emily did a lot of it while I was at work. So once again, shout out to Emily. Do you care if I try and take that bathroom door off? Alright guys, here I'm just putting on some new knobs that Emily ordered off of Amazon. I'll throw up a screenshot so you can take a look. We have no affiliation with this, just showing you what we got. going back to the bathroom from when I took that door off, we decided to hang up a curtain instead. Something I'm really glad we decided to do. Taking that door off really freed up some space, just made it look more open in there. Kind of changed the contrast instead of just having all that one wood color on the wall right there. Plus, it's nice being able to just move the curtain. You can either have it closed or move it to the left or the right. Just kind of opens up the space a little bit more and makes it a little more nice.
Yeah, it's good. It's maybe an inch too long still, but
Alright, thank you so much for watching that video, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. For this renovation project I have on this little camper, I'm going to be doing a new ceiling, got to put new vents in, and probably new countertops. As of right now, that's kind of where I'm at. I don't want to get too ahead of myself and go crazy, but I'm also kind of thinking maybe new tires. We'll see when we get there. Thanks for staying with me on this little project. I'm having a good time with it, and I hope you are too, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks, guys.